Today is the day. It is time for Surf the Rainbow. This is UEA's first ever surfing competition. We're about to make history and it's going to be very exciting.
Welcome to the premier Surf the Rainbow competition. This competition is going to be tough and the surf's going to be good. Aaron's down on the beach with a competitor Jamie. Let's go check it out.
Hi Doug, thank you very much. I've got more than just my friend Jamie here. I've also got Andy this time, but we're going to be interviewing Jamie first. Hey Jamie, how are you feeling about today's competition?
I mean, it's looking pretty gnarly out there, I can't lie, but I'm going to give it all I got and hopefully catch some sick fucking waves.
Well, we'll just have to see about that, huh Jamie? What about yourself, Andy?
I'm super stoked and getting ready for watching 3 sick people getting killed on the wave.
Damn, ain't that some classic surfer vibes? Okay, back to Doug in the studio.
Thanks, Aaron. I'm here with Tim. He's a surf expert and he's going to be giving us advice on how this break's going to go.
Honestly, today's condition really put the surfer in a tough spot, man. This really put them in a spot where they have to just get in there and to roll with it. It's a tricky spot, but hopefully our surfer will be doing well. And the good thing is that the wave and the conditions the weather's actually looking pretty good, so hopefully they will still have a good time. Good luck to them. And back to Doug.
Thanks, Tim. Now we're heading down to Izzy, who's on the beach with Aaron, and she's going to be running the comp on the ground.
Okay, so Izzy's put a lot of work into this competition, and I want to hear what she's got to say about today's competitors.
I am so excited for today. We have the most insane lineup of competitors, like some of the best surfers this university has ever seen. Wales, genuinely, they don't know what's going to hit them. It's going to be insane today.
Well, we'll just have to see again. Well, I think it's going to be great today, guys. I'm going to head back to Doug, and we'll give our closing remarks.
Back to the studio. Thanks, Aaron. It's going to be a good one. Let's see you in the water.
It is time for the first event of the day, and that is getting into the wetsuit challenge. If anyone has ever surfed or worn a wetsuit before, you will know this is tricky. So here are our competitors lined up, ready to go.
I'm gonna fucking win this. Yeah! Yeah, fuck you! Fuck you!
Here comes the gun show! Everyone's gonna say that tagline.
Your wetsuit must start on the floor. It has to be completely up, zipped up, hands in the air, shout when you're done. We're starting in 3, 2, 1, go! I don't get off my leg.
What the hell, man? You're insane!
Fucking he's done that before.
This guy absolutely smashed it! Wow, you're feeling great.
I'm feeling great. It's a tough competition. I don't think I can win on skill. I'm going to try and do the worm.
The competition is about to commence. Stay tuned.
I knew you were trouble. From the front to the back.
I only carry someone that I find the way.
So I reckon.
Oh, he's doing the worm! That was pretty cool. Did you see that? Oh, Tegan's up. Woo! I know. Veronica! Woo!
Come on!
I thought you were going to
started off really well, got a couple really good waves, then kept getting caught right where they were crashing, conked you on the head, lost an earring.
So do you think your losses today are worth your victories?
Hell yeah, I feel pretty confident about this heat. I think it's going to be a good comp. Sick.
Thank you so much, Emily. Back to Doug in the studio.
Yeah, so it's pretty good in the studio. Round 2.
Ready? Everyone make a lot of noise! Woo! Oh, no, that's Nicky, that's Nicky. Oh, Nicky's up! Yes, Nicky! Oh, shit, yeah! Bobby's up! Oh, nice! Oh, he's going down the wave! Yeah!
He's up, Jamie's up. Dickie, otherwise known as Richard here, straight from the race. He's come back in. How do you feel, Dickie, Richard?
No, you know, I feel it was a good showing from all contestants around there. The waves were really good. We had nice weather. I'd like to take a second to thank my coach, Aaron. He taught me everything I know.
I'm also an interviewer.
He's
multi-talented.
Multi-talented. He does many things.
Many things, and
he hit my bum last night. That was weird. Now I'm gonna go be in the changing rooms. I'll hope to see how the results come.
Thank you, Richard. Thank you, Dickie. We'll see you out there.
Someone's paddling that Sasha. Hold it.
She's taking off!
I don't think I performed to the best of my ability, but I got out there.
You
did my best.
amazing!
I tried my best. Can I just say, everyone here did such a good job. I was watching these guys, they were fucking crushing it. Half of these guys I knew, they're insane. Honestly, they're fucking killing it. I've ever seen a newbie kill it. Like, come on.
In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight.
Liv from Heat 4 today. She's done an impeccable job. What are we saying, Liv?
I I've got so much water in my ear.
Liv, how did you do, Liv? How do you think you did?
It was in the water.
You heard it here first, folks. She was in the water. Back to Veronica in the studio.
But time for the big announcement. Who is in the final? There are 6 in no particular order. The first person through to the final is Dickie!
Okay, big boy.
Mr. Going out in the water.
The next person through to the final is Emily! Okay, the next person through to the final is Oscar!
I'm taking the fucking short one.
Okay, the final 2. Last 2 people through to the final is Reese! Are we ready for the final person? Drum roll, please. Drum roll. Sasha!
I mean, your mum doesn't know. So you heard it here first, folks. Back to Doug in the studio.
Doug running cheese.
I'm here in the studio. We saw some great heats from some great competitors. We're now into the final round of our intermediate heat. Up next is the final. Over to the seas.
pulled out some crazy moves that I've never seen before. They're about to take the world by storm, but there can only be one winner. It was very close. It was very close, but the winner is Reese! We are having an awesome time at Surf the Rainbow. Everyone has been coming up and saying how confident they're feeling, how much they've enjoyed the day. I have genuinely seen some of the best surfing from people today that I've ever seen from them. It's been epic. The standard has been just so high. We are here today to raise money for the LGBTQ+ project, which is a really awesome local Norfolk charity. They provide community and wellbeing support for members of the LGBTQ+ community of all ages. They do workshops for transgender people. They do group counselling, individual counselling, as well as family groups. They offer so many services, and you can find all the information in our bio.
It's a good day to surf the rainbow!